Traveling with a baby can indeed be a challenging experience, but by following the right tips, it can become a stress-free adventure. Planning ahead and being prepared are key elements to ensure a smooth travel experience with your little one. By anticipating the needs of your baby and organizing everything in advance, you can alleviate much of the stress associated with traveling. From packing essentials to considering your baby's comfort during the journey, being proactive and prepared can make all the difference in ensuring a stress-free travel experience with your baby. When it comes to packing for travel with your baby, there are certain essentials that are absolutely crucial. Always make sure to pack extra diapers, wipes, and a change of clothes for your baby to handle any unexpected mess or accidents during the journey. Additionally, don't forget to include your baby's favorite toys or comfort items in your travel bag. These familiar items can provide a sense of security and entertainment for your baby, helping to keep them happy and content during the travel time. Selecting the appropriate travel gear for your baby is crucial for a smooth journey. Investing in a lightweight stroller and a comfortable baby carrier can significantly enhance mobility during your travels, allowing you to navigate through airports, crowded streets, and tourist attractions with ease. Furthermore, bringing along a portable crib or bassinet ensures that your baby has a familiar and safe sleeping space wherever you go. These gear choices provide your baby with comfort and security, making the travel experience more enjoyable for both you and your little one. When it comes to feeding and soothing your baby during travel, there are some important tips to keep in mind. For instance, breastfeeding or bottle feeding your baby during takeoff and landing can help alleviate ear pressure, providing comfort to your little one during the flight. Additionally, for older babies and toddlers, it's essential to bring along snacks and drinks to keep them satisfied and content throughout the journey. These provisions ensure that your baby remains calm and nourished, contributing to a more pleasant travel experience for both you and your child. When traveling through airports and embarking on long journeys with your baby, it's important to be well prepared. Familiarizing yourself with airport regulations regarding baby supplies such as formula and breast milk is crucial to ensure a smooth experience at security checkpoints. Additionally, during long journeys, it's advisable to take periodic breaks, allowing your baby to stretch and play. These breaks mitigate restlessness and help maintain your baby's comfort throughout the trip, making the travel experience more manageable for both you and your little one.